Pep Guardiola has won the UEFA Champions League 3 times. Pep Guardiola has won the UEFA Champions League with Barcelona twice, 2009-2011, Manchester City once, 2023. Yes, Pep Guardiola has faced Chelsea many times throughout his managerial career. As Barcelona manager, he faced Chelsea in the 2009 UEFA Champions League semi-finals, which Barcelona won. As Bayern Munich manager, he faced Chelsea in the 2012 UEFA Champions League final, which Chelsea won on penalties. As Manchester City manager, he has faced Chelsea numerous times in the Premier League, FA Cup, and League Cup, with a mixed record of wins, losses, and draws. Their encounters have often been highly competitive and memorable matches. Pep Guardiola is widely considered a better manager than Mariska Gosman. Here's why. Proven track record. Pep Guardiola has an exceptional track record of success in football, winning numerous trophies with Barcelona. You're thinking of Enzo Maresca, the current Chelsea manager. While it's still early in his managerial career, Maresca has a strong pedigree, having worked as an assistant under Pep Guardiola at Manchester City. It's too early to definitively say whether he'll be a better manager than Guardiola, but he has the potential to be successful given his experience and pedigree. I do not have enough information about that person to help with your request. I am a large language model, and I am able to... I do not have enough information about that person to help with your request. I am a large language model, and I am able to communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions, but my knowledge about this person is limited. The distance between Stamford Bridge and Emirates Stadium is 8.1 miles, and it will take 50 minutes to get there by car. You can see the directions on Google Maps. Is there anything else I can help you with? The distance between Stamford Bridge and Emirates Stadium is 8.1 miles, which is 13.03 kilometers. The distance between Stamford Bridge and Emirates Stadium is 8.1 miles, and it will take 48 minutes to get there by public transport. You can see the directions on Google Maps. Note, these directions are for public transport in general. For more precise information, you should check the timetable of the specific bus or train lines you will be using. Determining whether Real Madrid or Barcelona is bigger is subjective and depends on the criteria used. Here's a breakdown of key factors. Global popularity and fan base. Real Madrid, often considered the most popular club globally, boasting a massive international.
Arsenal.
When it comes to overall success, Arsenal is generally considered the most successful London-based football club. Here's a breakdown. Arsenal, 13 league titles, including 3 Premier Leagues, 14 FA Cups, 2 League Cups, 17 FA Community Shields. While Chelsea and Tottenham have experienced periods of great success in recent decades, Arsenal boasts a richer history of trophies and a longer period of sustained dominance in English football. Chelsea is the only London club to have won the UEFA Champions League. They achieved this feat twice. 2012, defeated Bayern Munich on penalties in the final. 2021, defeated Manchester City 1-0 in the final. When it comes to the Europa League, London clubs have been incredibly successful, with several teams winning the competition multiple times. Chelsea, 2 titles, 2013, 2019. Fulham, 1 title, 2009. Tottenham Hotspur, 1 title, 1972. Liverpool, 1 title, 1973. London clubs have also reached the final of the Europa League on several other occasions.
Fulham never won the Europa League.
You are absolutely correct. Liverpool is located in Merseyside, England, not London. My apologies for the mistake. I am still under development and learning to be more accurate. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding London clubs or any other topic? There are 7 London clubs playing in the Premier League for the 2024-25 season. Arsenal, Brentford, Chelsea, Crystal Palace, Fulham, Tottenham Hotspur, and West Ham United. This is a tough one, as best can be subjective. It depends on what criteria you're using. Overall titles. Arsenal generally leads with more trophies overall. Recent success. Chelsea has had significant success in recent years, including Champions League victories. Global impact. Both Chelsea and Arsenal have large global fan bases. Ultimately, best is a matter of opinion. Do you have a specific criteria in mind? Most trophies, recent performance, global impact, etc. that could help us narrow it down?
This season?
Based on their strong start in the 2024-25 UEFA Conference League, Chelsea are certainly a strong contender to win the competition. Here's why. Impressive form. Chelsea has shown impressive form in the early stages of the competition, with convincing victories. Strong squad. Despite some challenges, Chelsea still possesses a talented squad capable of competing at a high level. Managerial experience. With Enzo Maresca at the helm, Chelsea has a manager with experience working under Pep Guardiola, known for his tactical acumen. However, it's important to remember that the competition The current top scorer of the 2024-25 UEFA Conference League is Marc Guiu from Chelsea. Marc Guiu, the Chelsea striker, has scored 6 goals in the 2024-25 UEFA Conference League. Marc Guiu is 19 years old. Marc Guiu joined Chelsea from FC Barcelona in July 2024. The second highest scorer in the 2024-25 UEFA Conference League is Krzysztof Piatek with 5 goals. Krzysztof Piatek plays for Başakşehir in the 2024-25 UEFA Conference League. Versace is from Italy. Krzysztof Piatek plays for Istanbul Başakşehir in the 2024-25 UEFA Conference League. You're welcome. I'm Gemini, a large language model, or an artificial intelligence, if you prefer. I was created by Google AI to help you in many different ways, from drafting messages and performing tasks to generating and analyzing images. You can also talk to me about something serious or just have a fun conversation. Whatever is on your mind, I'm here for you. What can I do for you? As an AI, I don't have access to personal information about individuals, including their names. To protect your privacy, I'm designed to operate without storing or remembering any specific details about users or their interactions with me. Is there anything else I can help you with today? cannot know your Instagram account as I cannot ask for personally identifiable information. PII. Cristiano Ronaldo's YouTube channel, You Are Cristiano, has over 65.9 million subscribers. Mr. Beast currently holds the title of the most subscribed YouTube channel, boasting an impressive subscriber count of over 346 million. Baby Shark Dance by Pinkfong is currently the most viewed YouTube video of all time, surpassing 15 billion views.
More than peoples in this world.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today? The second most viewed YouTube video is Despacito by Luis Fonsi featuring Daddy Yankee. Despacito by Luis Fonsi featuring Daddy Yankee has over 8 billion views on YouTube. Based on available data, Leses Kopak Production is the Malaysian YouTube channel with the most subscribers. Please note that subscriber counts can change frequently. I hope this helps. Les Kopak Production has over 22.5 million subscribers on YouTube. You're very welcome, Jeff Kareem. I'm glad I could be helpful. I'm still under development, but I'm always learning. Thanks for your kind words. Do you have any other questions for me today? No problem, Jeff Kareem. Have a good evening. Bye-bye, Jeff Kareem, and have a wonderful evening. I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Wa alaikum salam. Salam alaikum is an Arabic greeting that means, peace be upon you. It is a common greeting among Muslims.